Hey, what's up, guys? It's Billy the Biller Bobble Bob. In today's video, I will be exploring Backrooms Level 2. I would be showing with my fingers, but I only have, like, glove hands. Mitten hands. Anyways, I'm gonna go explore the Backrooms. Yeah. Be cool, huh? No, I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? You may be wondering what map I'm in this time. You have to cut little Timmy. You may be wondering what map I'm in this time. But I'm in my community world. First of all, I'm gonna show you the basics, and at the end of the basics, I'll show you the game name. I mean, it's in Yeeps. It's not a game on the App Store. It's a community world in Yeeps. Tell you the name after I'm done explaining. Alright, you gotta come too, little Timmy. Don't think I forgot about you. Alright, so you spawn in this very poorly made garage that me and my friend took like 30 minutes making. Then, mal. It's still very much a work in progress. So not unless you're already full. You gotta cotton and so it may seem a little bit complicated at first. That's because it is. So, over here, we have our RC cars. And we have this sort of racetrack with buttons. Fix that. You do. You click this button and it spawns you a car, a boom boom car, and some remotes. Bad ones. Even though I'm good with these ones. Alright. You gotta get a little bit of speed, because the anti-cheat system might be a... Okay, you also might have to jump this part, I guess. Alright, once you do that, you don't see it, but it gives me cotton. And you eat your thingies after. So now I have 600 cotton from one round. Now, here, we have that one. Now, since I'm too lazy to do the rest of the grinding, don't tell anyone about this, but nope. Alright, I'm gonna blur this out because I don't want you guys seeing it. This is the only part I'm gonna show you. It's underground. That's it. Alright. What one do I want? I like this one. Alright. Alright, after that, since I'm a Sigma Yeep and I own this world, I got Sniper. Now I have to eat my sniper, actually. You do this. You unlock the store with one button for coal, one button for choo-choo trains. That's like upgrades. These are the... Wait, was there a Yeep behind that door that I just crushed? Nothing. And these remotes, since they are permanent, you don't need to eat them after. 1,000 cotton. No, I'm too broke and I can't afford it. So I'm gonna cheat yet again. Alright. I swear I just heard something. It's the remote station. I'm gonna buy my remotes because I'm a Sigma Yeep. And, I'm gonna buy my train, coal, and my choo-choo. Now. pulled my arm. By the way, that's a game mode story. I don't know why I did that one. All you gotta do is align it since these are extremely hard to control. But holding it and go boom boom. Oh shoot! 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 Yay! I tell you. But there's one thing that you might be asking. Well, can't you just go under this and give it and press those buttons? That would be the case. But you can see there's a little something there. And let's just say you don't want to know what happened. Press that button. And by the way to get back is this yellow teleporter. I forgot to show you guys. This is the most important part. But since I'm a Sigma male leap. Wait! I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna try to cheat. What the? What the? Hey! What the? Let me out! Why is it so dark? Why is it so dark? Oh, what is it? Alright, so basically, be a good boy or you go in the pit of shame. Do do do. Alright, and I think that's basically everything you need to know, other than one thing. And I can't remember. This is the 3rd floor. I have to fix that bug. But, 2nd floor. Now this is still a work in progress, but it will be finished soon. Trust me. Okay, now I gotta go around again. By the way, you should definitely go check it out. The map is called RC Mall. Let me just show you guys for proof. Also, I'm running very low on fuel, so I'd really appreciate if you guys donate.
So does anybody have
the button? RC Mall.
I take a picture. What's it called?
RC Mall.
Only bro up for.
Anyways, the top comment in the last video.
Bro up.
I didn't charge it.
That one short that I uploaded. Sorry if you guys didn't see it, but I uploaded a short.
Right now?
It's this top
I
comment.
didn't. The charge is literally in the room.
I get to choose what I can do for a Yeeps video.
Because I was just bored.
And the only reasonable comment, since the other one.
Come on, bro. Just let me play, bro.
Anyways, we will be speedrunning wind up or something. I don't remember what it's called. Yeah, it's not loud. Yeah, I want that one. That
Not my problem.
Alright.
What do you mean that was so
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell. I almost fell.
Join the lobby. Raise
Alright.
me. Wait, guys, raise
Wind
me. I
up
was
is
just up there.
honestly
You
unskippable.
guys hit me.
What
You
the?
guys
Are you
are
guys
killing
risen?
me for no
Hey,
reason.
riz me.
No,
thanks.
you raised him. What? Not okay, mister.
I don't know if he did now.
Oh, God.
I just
No.
I can't tell if it's called a wine. Whoa, stop, sir. Stop, sir. I know you're trickety ricketies. Stop. I know
Bring
you're
me back
trickety
up.
ricketies.
I'm in the Squid Games, everybody.
But you guys
I know
don't
you're
raise me
trickety
if I come over
ricketies.
there.
Oh, that one's crooked. Fix that wind up.
Okay, listen, I like
Almost just
I don't own.
dianated.
I see.
Where's the next checkpoint?
Sorry, bro.
Where's your long jumps?
I understand.
I understand it now.
I sent you a friend request. I sent you a friend request.
Whew, checkpoint.
Yo, can I come over there? You guys not drift me?
Oh,
Let's go, you
checkpoint.
I see
At all.
Final Crest. Oh, sorry.
Wasn't even close to a checkpoint.
Sorry.
Okay.
No, yeah, he does have I was trying to throw.
Christmas.
Get up!
Big fan!
Oh, bro! Nah! You did that! You're bad!
When did you get here?
I
when
just
did-
moved you only up. What else do you think?
No.
Go away.
I'm sorry, I'll bring you back up. I'll bring you back
Just
up.
kidding,
I'll
just
bring you
kidding,
back
just
up.
kidding. Can you bring my extra battery?
Just
kidding.
Happy February.
Just kidding.
No,
What the?
I know what you're trying to do. I know what you were trying to do. I know you hit me off earlier. 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 You hit me off earlier.
What is going on?
You hit me off earlier.
Get out.
No!
Don't touch my people.
I got a rose. I'm
Oh,
good aim. I have good aim.
I have no aim
man, these
assist
people
on.
are
Toxic.
Assist on, by the way. I'm just
toxic.
telling you.
Why, oh man,
Santa Claus.
Santa.
I didn't do nothing.
Santa Claus
I
doesn't
just
give
laughed
presents.
because you.
No, he died.
I'm sorry, Santa. Please don't put me on the naughty
What's
list.
gonna happen to you? Like literally, watch. I did nothing to you.
I believe you. Hey.
Bang, bang, bang.
Oh,
I just got
Okay. Okay.
I literally ran him.
Come on. Yes.
I just got him in the air yesterday, so.
hey, what if I risen back down here?
Hey, here, I got you guys presents.
Yay.
Yay, thank you, Santa.
Yay. I've always wanted one of these.
Hi.
Yay!
Get
I,
out.
I just wanted to put it in bunny.
Santa, they're griefing me for no reason.
I hit him without looking. Bro, I hit him without looking. Look.
I don't like this game anymore.
This? Oh.
No.
You said ho ho ho.
I don't like this game
I
anymore.
own those. I already own them. Santa, I have your child.
We just hit him off.
Give me that.
Oh, hi.
I do too. I do
Yo,
too.
can you stop?
Give me
I have
the
your elf. I have your elf.
Give me the elf. Give me the elf.
Hi, guys.
Yo, friend here trying to get.
I like cheeseburgers.
I have your child.
Trevor shot.
Santa. Get see.
Okay, at least there's they stopped the vision from bats.
That's Nelly.
Oh,
So close.
I missed the spaghetti noodle.
Merry Christmas.
I missed the spaghetti noodle. Hey, I think I.
Guys, where's me back?
I'm going to second. Gotta get
I
this better.
think I missed the spaghetti noodle. Okay, I probably need to change outfits. They're pretty mad at me. Is that the sig?
Guys, where's me? No.
Sigma?
Free bird.
Where's me?
What is that?
I remember you from last year. He's a meanie. Oh, you're a meanie too. You're a meanie, mister. You're not going anywhere.
Hey, bro, you suck. Right, I'm actually
You're a
gonna
mean
report you.
one. Mr. Grinch. You're good.
Yeah, you have
Bro, right, I'm actually gonna report you if you hit me off. I'm gonna report you if you hit me off.
Oh,
I hit you.
Ranger. I only hit you off
Yeah,
once.
you
so
did.
I'm reporting.
No, I didn't. I didn't hit you.
Nah, that's crazy.
Eh.
I'm even I'm not that kind of
I didn't hit
Hi,
him.
sir.
He graced me. Where's me?
I want to go first.
I have to bring you up. I have to bring you up.
You're not going
Shoot,
first.
wrong thing. I keep
Bro.
that okay.
Wrong finger.
Okay, I remember you from last time. No, you let him up. He's a bad guy.
You're gonna
Why
get
you let him
everyone to
up?
Oh, you.
Oh, yeah, I
Okay.
forgot.
Game over.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're fine.
Bring me up. Bring me up.
Oh, I forgot about you.
Santa. Santa.
Hi, Santa Claus.
I'm gonna grief you.
Yes.
Hi.
What are
Yes.
you doing?
Yes.
No, I'm not gonna hit you off. I'm not gonna hit you off.
I want you to hit
I
me up
won't do
there.
anything to you.
Oh, you wanted me to? Don't get mad at me if I miss. I really suck at this.
Come on. Yes. No. 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 No.
That wasn't me
Yeah, let's
this
raise
time.
Santa back up.
I can't agree that wasn't him. I can't agree that wasn't you. I can't agree.
That was not
Santa,
me, so you guys cannot
Santa, get over here.
I know it
Santa,
wasn't you
you're on the
that
spaghetti
time.
noodle. Santa, on the
Yo,
spaghetti noodle.
Santa.
Santa,
Santa, you're making him mad.
I don't get.
Santa!
You bloody
Santa!
baboon!
Ah!
I'll have this one too.
What
Oh.
the heck?
Yeah, kind of missed bad. Here, have this. Hey, it's right there.
Come on. Come on. Get him.
Yeah.
Get him.
Hi, Santa Claus.
Quickly.
Hey,
Here
go
comes
get up here,
Santa
Santa
Claus.
Claus.
Here comes Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
Right down my lane.
Tell your team that I
Here
want
comes
refill.
Santa Claus.
Whoa.
Look, there's a trampoline down there. Yeah.
Get out of my fire range!
Get up here. No.
Santa
I
Claus,
saw
speak
this.
up.
Oh.
Santa
Yeah.
Claus.
That's it.
You know, hit Santa off. Hit Santa off. You're on the naughty list now, sir. You hit Santa. You hit Santa. Wait. No, he hit Santa off. He hit Santa off.
Get out.
He hit Santa off. He hit Santa.
Roast me!
Santa, I'll avenge you.
Oh, sorry.
Hi, Santa. What the? You can't escape me, Santa.
You see nothing.
No, he hit me first.
Oh yeah, I should probably do that too. They all hate me.
I do this.
Moo moo cow.
You know, I actually been in here before.
They'll never know it's us.
I'm friends with one of the staff. If you come here, I don't know if he's still on here. I think I know his name. His name is Monk, right here. Monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah, that's my friend. We're friends.
No one will ever recognize me and you, Santa Claus.
Well, I'm a Gorilla Tag TikToker, so.
I'm recording a video
Hey,
right now.
it's Santa Claus! It's Santa Claus! It's Santa Claus!
Okay. Wee.
Sir,
Here,
please. Santa,
Oh,
please.
Merry Christmas.
Santa, please. Take my heart and please.
Wait, he's hitting me off.
Santa. Thank
I
you,
got
Santa.
No problem.
Come on.
Wee.
I'm sorry for hitting you. Ali, forgive me.
Wait a second.
Oh, I just give away my identity.
Can you hit me off?
Oh, he's a meanie? Okay, that guy's a meanie pantsy.
Bro, you tried hitting me! Did you not see
You
the
tried
punch?
hitting me. You hit me off already.
Oh, bye-bye. Oh, Shark's here. Please
Do
don't.
not do nothing.
Hi, Shark.
But I was talking to them.
I'll be here as a checkpoint, I guess.
Bring me up.
Them.
How about I
Bring me up.
Wait, stay there.
Trust me. Trust me on this.
Okay. I'm scared.
Trust the process. Turn around.
I'm scared too.
Trust the process.
I'm scared for you.
Bring you.
Wait.
Don't do that.
Oh, shoot, there's someone coming.
Bro, I literally
Please,
said to
please.
myself, didn't you die? And he died.
Wait, who did that?
Shark.
Stop! I played this game before. I played these games before. Whew.
Get up here. Get in here.
That's water.
Heck yeah.
Don't stand on that.
Roast me.
I've played these games. Oh,
Roast me. I'm behind you.
I've played these.
You're stupid.
I've played these games before, Santa Claus.
Wait a minute.
I said I've played these games before.
Wait, no. Yeah, hit him up there.
Son-
Too. Roast us. Second time.
Over here.
Wait.
No.
Santa Claus, I think I played these games before.
No, you-
Okay, that guy's gone.
Guys, I don't think Santa played these games.
I've played.
Shut
These
up! I
games.
played these games before.
The chicken. New outfit. Like it?
Okay, I'll get your word.
Damn. Hey, hell no! You,
No.
Not you. Leave. Go away.
My Puma. That's my Puma. That's my Puma.
Over here hitting me off for no reason. You're gonna die.
Go away.
Anyways. No, this is karma.
Let's go. Where are we going now, Santa Claus?
Go forward more! You pig!
Wait, you're literally a cow, though.
Bring me back to your child.
This isn't a roast.
You're
Oh,
okay.
thanks.
You're okay. I wouldn't kill you, don't worry. Go to the next level, I'll get them up. Don't worry.
Okay, bye, Santa Claus. I'm turning the music off.
Bring me up.
I'm just kidding, I'll turn it back on.
Hey, yo, Shark. Right here. Don't do that.
Wait, do it again, do it again, do it again. Wait, do it again, do it again.
Oh, there's one of them. There's another.
I like this game a lot, by the way.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ditch him. Go.
I'm in the squid of this.
I swear I'm seeing pins on me.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Oh, yep, that too. Yeah, let's both throw him off. No, don't hit Shark Guy. He's a nice
Wait,
guy.
catch it, catch it, catch it. Wait, catch it, catch it. Catch it,
And you literally throw
Catch it.
anything else at him. Here's my
Catch
child at
it.
him.
catch it.
There,
Wee.
Now we need to catch it. Oh, you didn't catch it.
Get the cow.
Catch it.
I'm crazy.
Oh, you actually caught it. You didn't catch it.
Never mind.
Hey, skip him across the water. No, we don't need to do that now, Shark. We don't need to do that now, Mr. Shark Man.
He's
Oh,
cooking.
I played these
Oh,
games
sorry.
before.
I played these games before.
If you weren't there, I would have flew into that one.
Wait,
Okay,
cow,
now,
cow.
this is how I get you guys up here.
Cow. Wait, I played these games before.
No,
cow,
I'm getting you
I
up
played
there.
these- Wait,
You're
I
fine.
played these games before. I've been a glassmaker for
Oh, wait,
30
no.
years.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Mr. Cowboy
Yeah.
takes me.
What the?
Roast me. Hey, you.
Oh, wait,
I'm
no.
right here. Listen,
Okay.
chill now.
I trusted you,
chill.
cow.
No.
I trusted that
Bam,
cow.
Up there. It's me, $3.77. I'm a chicken. That's
You
a
gotta-
dog. Bark, bark, bark.
I think we need double rows, bro.
Just drop. You might need to do that, I think.
What the?
Maybe not.
Mr. Cow, below you.
No, wait.
Below you, cow.
Don't go on
Someone
the light,
died
just
right
the
in
dark
front of my
purple,
eye.
okay?
Oh.
Wait, can you guys rose me? I'm scared.
I can't
Oh.
breathe without
Oh, hi, Mr. Cow. Oh, it's not Mr. Cow.
I'm Mr.
That's my
Cow's
worst
friend
enemy.
now, okay? Me and Mr.
I'm
Cow's
in the
friend.
squid.
I'm next.
I'm okay.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Hi.
I'm Superman. I'm just kidding. Don't Superman fly me to. Oh,
Do a flip.
Do we go?
I
or
remember
we
this
skip?
part.
Wait, orange guy.
Stick to the spit.
Right.
All right, bye.
Here you go.
Wait, stay there.
Chicken.
Stay there.
Are you eating raw?
Wait, oh shoot.
Where'd Mr.
Oh,
Cowman
shoot, I
go?
don't think that's gonna work.
I'm up here.
Cow.
What?
Roast me.
I'm gonna take How am I supposed to reach you over there?
How would you supposed to reach me down there?
Yes.
No.
I'm gonna do for that guy. He's a nice man. Is there any boundary stuff in the way? No. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how. Tina, let you free. We're the pain.
Okay, I see.
Where are you? How did you get in there? Tina, this one's now.
Timothy for telling
Hey,
me
you
to first
two.
go.
Oh,
You
hi.
two.
Mr. Cowman left
Go
us.
across there, and then we'll
Dream
run you up.
on.
Oh.
Friend,
Dream
friend.
on. Dream on.
Wait.
Dream on.
No. Oh wait. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
He hit Mr. Cowman off. I'm gonna get him back.
I'm gonna kiss you.
I gotta add all you guys.
Why?
Only that glass and move out the way.
Not all you.
Get up here.
Free on
Get up here.
Oh, yes, bet.
Mouse is on the
Boom.
Hey,
It's
bro.
that red. It's
I
that
love
red
ice.
light.
Get up
Roast
here.
me. Hey, bro, you friended me. Roast me.
Get up here.
Yeah, I'm
Get up
dipping, y'all. See you later.
Get up here.
Who's Grace?
Bro, what up, Arctic Flame?
What are you talking about?
Oh, hi.
Roast me.
My boy.
Yeah, don't
Arctic
roast that.
Flame.
Okay, don't roast me anymore. No, I don't want to get raised anymore. Stop.
Where's my boy
Stop.
Arctic Flame? Keep on going.
I'm up here.
I don't need help.
Okay.
I'm in the Matrix. I dodged your rose.
Roast me.
Bro, I'm crazy.
Stop.
Crazy with
I'm in the Matrix. I dodged your rose.
There.
I'm in the Matrix. Oh,
You killed me.
don't let him rose you. I'm in the Matrix.
By the way.
No.
I'm just saying.
Autistic, roast me. Autistic. I'm down here.
I don't think
I'm in the
it's-
Matrix.
Autistic.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody.
Autistic.
Trying.
All right, well I'm gonna. I'm gonna.
I'm the top.
Okay.
Come on. There we go.
Wait, help me! Help! Help!
Oh, there's this boundary thingy in my way. Hey, I'm in the thick of it, everybody. No, it's-
Oh no. That was
Oh,
close.
hi.
No, there's like 3 people on here.
We're supposed to go next.
I'm gonna hit the Gangnam Style.
One's gotta go.
Can you
One's gotta go.
No, I'm not. I'm not leaving yet. Oh yeah, now there's not too many people up here. Are you raising chicken back up? Oh, we're almost at the end.
Wait, where's Cal at?
We are at the end, pretty much.
I think
he
Cameron
left.
Yeah, he sent me a friend request. I don't know what happened to him.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, he did a 360 no scope.
Good boy.
What if
Someone
stars are
sniped.
just alien
Someone
snipers?
sniped him though. Someone sniped him though. Someone sniped him.
We're gonna go.
Nah, I'm staying here.
What if stars are just alien snipers? All right, if I fall, bye bye.
Bro, I'm so close.
Oh, I didn't fail.
He didn't fail, guys.
Oh, it's not. No, that's not a rose. Rose
Chicken,
make more.
chicken,
Chicken, take my chicken.
chicken,
Chicken.
chicken.
No,
no,
I'm
no.
sorry. I meant to hit the chicken. I meant to hit the chicken.
Holy!
I am so sorry, Shark. I meant to hit the chicken. Now there's too many people in here.
How did I do that? How did I do that?
All right,
Oh my
I'll go.
God.
I'll go. You stay.
Okay.
If I die, bye bye.
I'm crazy.
Oh, I didn't die.
I'm crazy.
Of course you died, bro.
Full pain.
All right,
You won.
I like lead paint.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
No, I'm gonna go to the next level. You won't be missed. Bye bye. I'm the winner. I'm the winner. I'm the winner. Let's paint. Back here again.
Like, that was crazy.
I like lead paint. Oh, thanks. Wait, is there?
All the way from a level that
Oh,
was
that-
like impossible to get to.
Fine. I did it. I think I'm good at brooms. I think. Oh,
What in the skibbity?
I was at the third level, but then I think I died.
What in the what?
Think you died, bro?
Yeah, I think I died. Oh, that part is hard. How did I beat that first try?
Yeah, I'm trying like a baby.
Oh, I didn't even.
Wait. Ta-da!
Oh, thank you, Chicken Man. Hey, I made it. I'm alive. One more time. Oh,
Dude, there was no way.
hey, I made it to green level. Is there a checkpoint? I'm assuming that I need a shield, I guess. Okay. Yeah, there's probably. Oh. No.
Right as I jump, I died.
Oh, stores. I'm gonna change back into my rat outfit, by the way, guys. This is a fake me the entire time. I'm Ratman again. I'm Ratman again. I'm back to my original form. Chicken!
I will come back to my brothers.
Yay, brothers.
Guys, we all have to be at the same. Meet you guys at like the level before the green level. Wait to stay.
Stop taking Shark Dookie.
Mop the floor while we're waiting.
Oh yeah, I got it on camera, buddy. He's recording right
Okay, let's
now.
go.
No, I'm
Let's
just
go.
kidding.
One at a time.
Okay, I'll go if you
If
don't
he
want to
dies,
go.
I'm mad.
Okay.
Okay, guess we're going together.
I almost ran out of speed. By the way, there's turrets. So
I know that. That's why I'm gonna ride with my left hand. Actually, no. It hit me somehow.
I'm horrible with
Okay.
my left hand,
We always
but
have
I'm
to stay
gonna
at the
risk
same
it.
time.
Okay, not anymore.
oh, I just. This is the part where I
I
died.
almost died.
Got boosted by the gun. I own them.
Really hard.
Keep
Really
forgetting that I
hard.
own these guns. Okay. Chicken died.
I got
Chicken
that on
died.
camera.
Well, at least my camera's actually recording.
Yeah, mine's not.
Oh. But Chicken Man died.
Chicken. Should we cook him up?
Chicken.
Should we cook him? Cause he's
What?
a chicken. Should we cook him cause he's a chicken?
Yeah, only Sigma animals are allowed to be here. Even though I'm literally worse than Chicken. Oh yeah, I should do that. Then I'll send
Who
a.
else is in here? Someone else is in here. Do you not
Oh
see
no,
it?
that's my mobile app.
Oh.
That's where my camera's recording.
I'm
No
gonna
one
go
knows
see
a
if I can
Sigma
do
enough to
mine.
be wind up. Alright, I'm gonna send him a friend request. No, I don't want to report him. Can you move it away?
Get in the zone.
Not a temporary friend. I don't want to send another temporary friend. Oh, he's
Yo,
so
bro,
sick.
get in the zone, auto zone.
1 second. I'm gonna send
That. Oh, it's like a broom.
by being Sigma. That's how. What does broom pack POV look like? Wait, do you own VRs? I just want to test something.
No,
Oh,
I don't own yours.
I'm sad. What? Jerk! I ran into you.
When you kill kind of.
I've seen that DJ, yo, and that DJ, duh, and that DJ,
I'd like to write something.
That's
and
not
that
fair.
DJ,
Um,
duh, back.
hey, look, I found this letter on the floor.
Bro, I did
Oh
it,
no,
I
we
did it,
lost
I
him
did it,
too.
I did it.
We lost another one,
I
Shark.
did it. Mousy, I did it.
We lost another one.
Bro, Mousy.
No, I'm gonna fly with my left hand because I'm so Sigma.
Mousy, no, Mousy.
Chicken. Wait, where did Chicken get here?
Mousy, I finished it.
Not even.
I made it. Mousy, I made it. Mousy, I did it.
I just
Mousy, I did it.
I found this letter on the floor, man.
Dude, I did it. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I know. Wait, but look at the letter.
What even does that say? Tell me, what does
You'll
it
never
say?
know what it is.
What does it say? What does it say, man?
Watch it.
No way.
Letter for you, good sir. Hey, do you want my child? Hey, can you stop hitting me, please?
I did it again. Get out.
No, have my child. Oh, no. Little Timmy. I'm taking Little Timmy to the end with me.
Hey, bro, wait, what?
Right. How? Okay.
Hello, guys.
Hey, I
have a letter for you, bro. Okay.
Alright, now you can
Or
find him.
not.
I'm right behind you. There we go.
Wow.
That's better.
Anyway, I'm gonna leave, guys. Bye.
Bye. Amina. I'm gonna summon him.
Oh no.
Hey, got him. Bye. Got him. Oh. I actually did that trick shot though.
Wait, I have a letter for you.
I got him.
But you have to find it.
Alright, bet. I bet you it's somewhere in here.
It's not. It's not totally right there. It's not totally right there.
Oh.
You see nothing.
Now you can never see it again.
Why, my beautiful nose? You know that was my child. And I actually ate him once.
I can show you the world.
Because I'm a cannibal.
Hold on, there's
I'm a
someone on the
chicken
roof
bro.
there.
You don't know that.
I have the perfect letter hiding spot.
No way. No way. If I beat this, I beat it.
Yes, that's more Sigma. That was definitely not enough speed. Oh, it is. Alright, is it still here? It is. John Pork. Yeah, well, sure, why not? I'll hide it in John Pork. Gotta hide it better. Yeah, that's good. Am I alone again? Oh, I am. Okay. Well, I beat it. Oh, he beat it too.
Hey, bro, wait. Hey, cat.
What?
Hello. You kind of look like someone I know.
Oh,
I know you.
oh, he just made it over that
Chat,
fence.
everybody join code
I don't know
plus
you.
school for infinite Riz.
Do you have somebody named Soldier
Actually-
for War as a friend?
I gotta take my Yeep to daycare.
I'm gonna see you. Don't accept this. Hold on. First of all,
Well, it's hard to spell.
L.
Alright, I would like to sign little Timmy up for adoption. No, I'm just kidding. I'm signing up for daycare since you are really noisy and I cannot take care of you. Alright. And scribble that out. Yummy. Alright, take care of him. Oh, I'm gonna go explore.